Want to master Bash scripting? Let's start with the building blocks, variables, and user input. In Bash, you create variables without spaces. Use equals to assign values. Quotes are used for strings. Use the $sign to access the variable value. Wrap it in double quotes when printing strings. Read waits for input and stores it in a variable. It's the simplest way to interact with the user. Readp adds a prompt directly in the same line. It's cleaner and more user-friendly. You can capture multiple values in one line by specifying more than one variable. Use $double opening brackets and closing brackets for arithmetic. Bash treats numbers as strings unless you wrap them in math mode. Bash doesn't handle decimals natively. Use the BC calculator for floating point math. This simple script combines input, variables, and math. A perfect base for your first real Bash script. Now you know how to use variables and get input in Bash. Try building your own script today.